Hello and welcome to Database Tips and Tricks. In today's tutorial, I'll demonstrate how to harness the power of Python to create a random number generator in Excel without any repeats. Say goodbye to manual Excel formulas and hello to automation. Let's get started. I go to the folder where my Python script is. I double click it. I enter the parameters. So we want random numbers that aren't repeating from, let's say, from 1 to 100,000. And we want, let's say, 100 numbers. Generate and save. Click OK. Let's go to the same folder, the Excel files created with 100 numbers. You can see it's 100 numbers. Let's check if there are any duplicates. Data. Okay. No duplicates. Alright, you can see in seconds. So let's go back. Let's delete that Excel file again. Double click the Python script. Let's start from 100,000. We want a number between 100,000 and a million. And we want 10,000 randomly generated non-repeating numbers. Generate and save. In seconds our answer. Let's go to Excel. Random numbers. Should be 100,000. 10,000 I mean, sorry. There's 10,000 generated. Let's go and see if there are any duplicates. So let's highlight the data. Data. Okay. No duplicates found. Let's give one more demonstration. Let's put real pressure on this script. Let's delete the Excel file. You don't have to delete it, it'll just overwrite it. Click it again. Let's start from 1. Let's go up to a million. Let's make 100,000 randomly generated numbers that are non-repeating. Okay, this will take a little bit of time, but not long, as you'll see now. So it's done. Let's go to the Excel file. You can see 823, so it is done now. 823. It's going to see it should be 100,000. There's 100,000 numbers created. Let's see if there are any duplicates. Data. No duplicates found. So you could even do a billion numbers or a million numbers. So you can see how effective it is using a Python script. So the purpose of this tutorial is to highlight the potential of integrating Excel and Python rather than delving into the intricacies of writing the Python script. You can easily use the provided script in the description section below by downloading Python. It's a quick process. Just one thing to remember is click Add to Windows Path when you install Python. Then you simply double click the script that you would have downloaded from the description section below, and you'll get the same answers as me. Well, that wraps up this tutorial. If you found it helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more insightful content. Thank you for tuning in.